I challenge you to follow each step and try this plan for 10 days. It will be a true test of your discipline and determination. And I guarantee that if you follow it correctly, the transformation will be incredible. Do you accept the challenge? Comment "Challenge accepted" and tell me which meal you are most excited to start with. And remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about adopting a healthy lifestyle that will make you feel good every day. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go on this journey together. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and recipes that will help you achieve your goals. It's time to take the first step towards a better body and a better life. Did you know that simply not consuming the right amount of protein can be completely sabotaging your weight loss? That's right. Maybe you're doing everything right, cutting calories, working out, avoiding sweets, but still the results don't show up, or worse, that weight you lost comes back in a matter of days. It feels unfair, doesn't it? But today, I'm going to tell you what's really missing from your eating plan, a powerful nutrient that can transform your metabolism, reduce your hunger, and accelerate fat burning like nothing else. And no, it's not an expensive supplement, nor a miracle food. We're talking about protein. In today's video, here on Body Dream, I'm going to share a complete meal plan to consume 100 g of protein a day. And you know the best part? This plan can help you lose up to 10 kilograms in just 10 days, in a completely healthy and sustainable way. It may sound too good to be true, but that's exactly what many people who follow this method have already achieved. And now, it's your turn to completely transform your relationship with food and, of course, with the mirror. But pay attention. Staying until the end of this video is crucial. I'll reveal every detail of this plan step by step, from what to eat at breakfast to the snack before bed. I'll teach you simple tricks to include more protein in your routine, without spending much, without complications, and without needing to be a kitchen expert. Plus, I'll show you how these choices can reduce bloating, control your hunger levels, and give you an energy you didn't even know you had. And if you think it will be difficult or that this won't work for you, I invite you to give it a chance. After all, you're here because you want real results, right? So, get your pen and paper ready, because what I'm going to share today could be a game changer in your weight loss journey. Let's go together into this amazing plan that has already changed the lives of many people and can, yes, change yours too. Ready? Then let's get started now. Why 100 g of protein? If you still believe that all calories are equal, I have a surprise for you: they're not. The type of food you consume has a direct impact on your ability to lose weight. And when it comes to effective weight loss, protein is the real turbo fuel for your metabolism. But why exactly 100 g of protein per day? Let me explain. Protein is not just an essential nutrient, it's a fat-burning machine. When you consume protein, your body works harder to digest it, which means you naturally burn more calories. This is called the thermic effect of food, and protein has the greatest impact among all macronutrients. Additionally, it helps preserve your muscle mass while you lose fat, ensuring that your body stays toned, not saggy, during the weight loss process. Now, why specifically 100 g? The recommended daily intake of protein for a sedentary person is approximately 0.8 g per kilogram of body weight. However, when your goal is to lose weight effectively, increasing this intake to around 1.2 g to 1.5 g per kilogram is ideal to maximize the benefits. This means that if you weigh 75 kilograms, you should consume between 90 g and 112 g of protein daily for optimal results. But here's the secret: 100 g of protein is not just a target, it's a powerful strategy. This amount ensures that you stay full throughout the day, drastically reducing cravings for high-calorie foods and late-night trips to the fridge. Additionally, protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes that can lead to fat storage. And for those who think it's difficult to reach this goal, today's plan is proof that it's entirely possible. With the right combinations of foods, you will not only hit the 100 g of protein target but do so in a tasty, practical, and effective way. So, are you ready to transform your diet and accelerate your weight loss? Let's go, because your journey starts with the power of protein. Breakfast, the first meal to boost your weight loss. If you think breakfast is just another meal of the day, think again. This is the perfect opportunity to give your body the right fuel to start burning fat early. In today's plan, breakfast will be the foundation for reaching the goal of 100 g of daily protein, thereby boosting metabolism, controlling hunger throughout the day, and providing more energy to face your routine. For those who eat eggs, the best option is a powerful 4-egg omelet. That's right, whole eggs. The yolks, often avoided, are an excellent source of essential nutrients that aid in weight loss. An omelet prepared with light seasonings and served with a slice of whole grain bread is not only delicious but also provides about 28 g of protein right in the morning. This combination keeps you full, preventing fridge raids before lunch. Now, if you're vegetarian or prefer variety, The alternative is the amazing mung dal chilla, a pancake made with green lentils rich in protein. The golden tip here is to add 50 g of cottage cheese or tofu to the preparation. The result? A tasty, practical meal that provides 20 g of protein. Want to take it up a notch? Add vegetables like spinach, tomato, or bell pepper to the batter, boosting the fiber content, which helps with satiety and digestion. And to go with it, choose a light, stimulating drink. Green tea, black tea, or black coffee are great options as they help boost metabolism and increase calorie burn. If you like coffee with milk, use a small amount of skimmed or plant-based milk, but avoid sugar so you don't compromise your results. This breakfast isn't just a meal. It's the starting point for a day full of energy, fullness, and visible results on the scale. After all, starting your day well is half the battle toward reaching your goals. Are you ready to turn your breakfast into a secret weapon against extra pounds? Then let's get started. Morning snack, light and protein-packed. Imagine this: you had a balanced breakfast, but a few hours later, you feel that empty sensation in your stomach. This feeling is your body asking for energy and nutrients. Now, what will you do? Reach for a snack or processed cookie? Wrong. These foods are like fake fuel. They provide momentary energy but leave you more tired and hungrier afterward. This is where the light, protein-packed morning snack comes in, the perfect solution to feed your body and keep it in fat-burning mode throughout the day. This snack isn't just a hunger buster. It's thoughtfully designed to complement your 100 g daily protein goal and sustain your fullness until lunchtime. The best option here is a combination of 100 g of plain Greek yogurt with fresh fruits of your choice, such as berries, pineapple, or pomegranate. Let's understand why. Greek yogurt is a true hero of a protein-rich diet. With about 10 g of protein in a single serving, it helps stabilize blood sugar levels and provides consistent energy. Unlike a snack full of sugar or refined carbs, it nourishes your muscles and keeps your metabolism active. And when you add fresh fruits, not only do you get a touch of natural sweetness, but you also enrich the snack with fiber and antioxidants, which aid digestion and fight free radicals, a bonus for your overall health and appearance. And if you're worried about flavor, here's a special tip. To add even more texture and nutrients, try sprinkling a teaspoon of chia seeds or flax seeds. They not only increase the fiber content but also provide healthy fats, which help with satiety and hormonal function. Something essential for those looking to lose weight. This snack is practical, quick, and most importantly, effective. You can prepare it in minutes and take it with you anywhere. And the best part, it feeds your body intelligently, keeping your appetite in check and putting you on the path to reaching your weight loss goals. So, the next time hunger strikes before lunch, remember, choose smart, choose protein. Each spoonful of this light protein-packed snack is a step closer to the body of your dreams. Lunch, high protein, high fiber options. It's lunchtime, what now? This is a critical moment in your day because what you put on your plate can determine whether you continue to burn fat efficiently or sabotage all your progress. Lunch is the meal that needs to balance satiety, nutrition, and flavor, and this is where the importance of high protein and high fiber options comes in. If you think losing weight means starving or eating bland food, get ready to change your mind. These combinations I'm going to share not only keep you satisfied for hours but also stimulate your metabolism, aid digestion, and provide the energy needed to get through the rest of the day. The first option is a balanced classic, dal with brown rice. This Indian combination of lentils seasoned with spices and brown rice is not only delicious but incredibly nutritious. Lentils, such as tuvar dal or chana dal, provide complete plant-based proteins and fiber that regulate the gut and prolong satiety. Pairing this with half a cup of brown rice, which contains low glycemic carbohydrates, ensures sustainable energy without blood sugar spikes. To enhance this meal, add 50 g of grilled paneer, or tofu for vegans. This small adjustment brings the total to about 25 g of protein in a single dish. Another irresistible option is paneer bhurji with multigrain toast or a whole wheat chapati. Paneer bhurji is a simple recipe made with shredded cottage cheese, seasoned with herbs and spices, and combined with vegetables such as bell pepper and tomato. Here, you get high-quality proteins combined with fiber from fresh vegetables. Including 2 slices of multigrain toast or 1 chapati completes the meal with complex carbohydrates. This dish provides approximately 30 g of protein and is rich in flavor and texture. If you prefer something more practical and quick, try the protein kebab salad. These kebabs can be made with chicken, paneer, tofu, or even chickpeas for those on a vegetarian diet. Each kebab has about 7 g of protein, and you can prepare about 4 for a complete meal. Pair with a generous portion of green salad, including fresh greens, cucumber, tomato, and bell peppers. For an extra touch, add a light Greek yogurt-based dressing that is not only tasty but also boosts protein intake. No matter which option you choose, the key is in the combination of protein and fiber. Protein helps rebuild your muscles and keeps your metabolism elevated, while fiber helps prolong satiety, controlling your appetite throughout the afternoon. Together, they form the perfect duo for a lunch that not only nourishes your body but also brings you closer to your weight loss goals. Remember, lunch is not just a meal, it's a strategy. Choose wisely and watch your body respond positively, with more energy, less hunger, and visible results. Afternoon snack, quick and healthy. The afternoon has arrived, and that moment of fatigue starts to set in. You feel your energy levels dropping, and with that, the urge to grab anything within reach increases. But beware, this is the time when many people make the mistake of choosing processed, sugary snacks that will only leave you more tired and cause your body to store fat instead of burning it. Don't let temptation win. I'm going to show you how to maintain energy and satiety with an afternoon snack that's quick, healthy, and protein-rich. First, an option that's a favorite for many, a high-protein seed mix. Combine 30 g of seeds such as pumpkin, sunflower, chia, and a touch of nuts for crunch. This snack is not only quick to prepare but is also a nutrient powerhouse. It provides between 10 to 15 g of protein and a generous amount of fiber and essential fatty acids, which help maintain satiety and heart health. For an extra touch, you can pair it with a cup of green tea or unsweetened black coffee. This way, you also stay hydrated and get a slight energy boost. Another super practical and delicious option is Greek yogurt with fresh fruit. A 100 g serving of plain Greek yogurt, which is rich in protein and probiotics for gut health, can be mixed with strawberries, blueberries, or even a handful of pomegranate seeds. This combination provides the perfect balance of protein, antioxidants, and fiber, plus it's refreshing and tasty. This snack is an excellent way to keep your metabolism active and prevent energy drops in the afternoon, offering about 10 g of protein and many important micronutrients for your health. If you're looking for something even more practical, a protein smoothie could be the ideal choice. Blend 1 scoop of protein powder, preferably whey or plant-based protein, a ripe banana, which adds potassium and slow-releasing energy, and a teaspoon of chia or flaxseed. This will provide you with a generous dose of protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates that will keep your energy stable until your next meal. For those who enjoy a creamy, flavorful texture, this is a great option that can be made in under 5 minutes. Lastly, if you're the type who prefers a snack that feels like a small meal, try carrot and cucumber sticks with hummus. Hummus, made from chickpeas and tahini, is an excellent source of protein and fiber, and the fresh vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals. A 50 g serving of hummus with 100 g of vegetables offers about 5 g of protein, making it a light and tasty choice to maintain satiety and curb junk food cravings. The key to a healthy afternoon snack is choosing options that combine protein, fiber, and a touch of healthy fats. This will ensure you stay satisfied, energized, and focused on your weight loss journey. And the best part? These snacks are quick, practical, and so delicious that you won't even feel like you're taking care of your health. It'll be a pleasure in every bite. Dinner, protein, and lightness. Dinner is that time of the day when you want something light but also satisfying and helpful for a good night's sleep. The wrong choice can turn a peaceful night into one of insomnia and even leave you waking up feeling bloated. That's why I'm going to show you how to prepare a light, nutritious dinner rich in protein, ensuring you get the most out of your rest and recharge your energy. For those looking for a meal rich in protein and low in calories, a grilled chicken salad with vegetables is the perfect choice. Start with 100 g of grilled chicken breast, which offers 22 to 25 g of lean protein, aiding muscle recovery and promoting satiety. Add a mix of lettuce, spinach, tomato, cucumber, and shredded carrot for a crunchy texture rich in fiber and vitamins. Finish with a light dressing of olive oil and lemon, adding delicious flavor without weighing you down. This dish is light, nutritious, and will leave you satisfied until morning, providing an average of 30 g of protein. If you prefer a vegetarian option, paneer tikka with a fresh salad is an excellent choice. Paneer or Indian cheese is a great source of plant-based protein, and when combined with spices like turmeric, cumin, and cayenne pepper, it becomes irresistibly flavorful. Pair with a salad of lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and onion, and a bit of yogurt dressing seasoned with fresh herbs. This meal is not only delicious but also highly nutritious and will keep you full for hours, providing approximately 20 g of protein. For those who love quick and easy dishes, lentil soup with spinach is the perfect solution. Lentils are an excellent source of protein and fiber, and spinach adds a touch of greens and iron. Make a simple soup with cooked lentils, some sautéed carrot and onion, and add the spinach at the end of cooking. This light and comforting soup provides about 15 g of protein per serving and is perfect for those seeking a nutritious dinner with minimal effort. And for those who enjoy a touch of sophistication, grilled salmon with asparagus is a dinner option that combines high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and supporting weight loss. A 100 g salmon fillet offers about 20 g of protein, and asparagus is rich in fiber and antioxidants. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and a touch of lemon to enhance the flavor. No matter which option you choose, dinner should be light, nutritious, and satisfying, providing your body with the nutrients needed for proper recovery during the night. Also, good hydration is essential. Drink a glass of water or a cup of chamomile tea to promote restful sleep. And remember, the secret to a healthy dinner is to keep it simple and choose fresh, quality ingredients. Ready for a light and tasty dinner that will help you sleep better and wake up refreshed? These options are the key to a restful night and an energized new day. Nighttime snack, night drink. The nighttime snack is the finishing touch to your day, the moment when you need to ensure you're relaxing your body and preparing your mind for a good night's sleep. It helps avoid that feeling of hunger that can disrupt rest or worse, lead to unhealthy food choices before bed. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a nighttime drink that is both nutritious and delicious, ensuring you have a peaceful and restorative night. Starting with chamomile and ginger infusion, which is a perfect choice for promoting relaxation and combating water retention. Chamomile is known for its calming properties, which help induce sleep, while ginger aids digestion and reduces inflammation. To make this drink, simply boil a cup of water, add a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and a chamomile tea bag. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. This drink is comforting, warms the body, and helps you relax, making it ideal for ending the day. Another highly nutritious and healthy option is almond milk with cinnamon, a combination that not only helps combat insomnia but also provides protein and essential minerals. Almond milk is a light, lactose-free alternative that can help maintain a sense of fullness, while cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and boost metabolism. To prepare, heat a cup of almond milk and add a pinch of ground cinnamon. For an extra touch of flavor, add a bit of vanilla extract. Drink it while still warm for a more relaxing effect. For those seeking a protein boost before bed, a drink made with Greek yogurt, honey, and nuts is a delicious and nutritious choice. Greek yogurt is rich in high-quality protein and probiotics, aiding digestion and muscle recovery during sleep. To make this drink, mix a cup of natural Greek yogurt with a teaspoon of honey and a small portion of chopped nuts. The honey will add a sweet, comforting touch, while the nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health and promote restful sleep. And for those who prefer something simpler and refreshing, herbal water with mint and lemon is the ideal choice. Mint has a calming effect and aids digestion, while lemon provides a touch of freshness and vitamins. Add mint leaves and a slice of lemon to a glass of warm water and let it rest for a few minutes before drinking. This option will help maintain hydration and promote a mild diuretic effect without overloading the digestive system. The key to a good nighttime snack is to choose a drink that is light, nutritious, and helps the body relax. Avoid drinks high in caffeine or sugar, as they can interfere with your sleep. And remember to drink your nighttime snack at least 30 minutes before going to bed so your body has time to absorb the nutrients, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful and restorative night's sleep. Now that you have these nighttime drink options, make the most of your evening to take care of your well-being and ensure a restful night that will leave you refreshed for the next day. Now that you know the meal and snack options for a 100g protein per day diet plan, it's time to put everything into practice and transform your eating routine. But remember, a meal plan is not just about following recipes, it's about creating a healthy and sustainable lifestyle that fits into your routine and helps you achieve your weight loss goals effectively and lasting. If you're ready to get started, give this video a like and share it with your friends and family who could also benefit from these tips. Want an even more personalized approach and direct support to reach your goals? Don't miss the chance to get in touch and begin your weight loss journey with a plan tailored to your individual needs. And if you're enjoying the content and want more diet tips, healthy recipes, and weight loss strategies, don't forget to subscribe to the Body Dream channel and activate the notification bell to receive alerts for new videos. Here, you'll find the best guidance, practical tips, and transformation stories to inspire and motivate you to keep going. Before we go, let me know in the comments, which of these meal options are you most excited to try? Do you have any questions about the diet or want to share your results? I'm here to answer your questions and help you stay on track on your path to a healthy body and balanced life. So don't waste any time. Start following these tips today and see how your body and mind will respond to this journey of nutrition and health. And remember, the first step to transformation begins with the decision to act. Take care of yourself, take care of your well-being, and enjoy every stage of this weight loss journey. Until the next video, and always stay with us here at Body Dream, where your goals become reality.